डीप ब्रीथ करूँ लंबा निश्वास छोड़ो रिलैक्स डीप ब्रीथ छोड़ो माउथ खोलिए crack of the ear.
It sounds like boom. So, hey people, what's up? What's going on? I hope you people are doing great, well and safe. Let me tell you something. If you people are in Twin City, if you are in Kara or Bhubaneswar, please come to this place, Divine Divine Physiotherapy Center. It's a great place, and this guy is very educated guy. Thank
you so much.
Strongly welcome. So it's a movie ticket anatomy. As you know, I'm a health consultant, so I respect them, those who know about real science, real knowledge, and this guy is great, man. So if you are in town, please come to this place.
Thank you so much. Upside down. Like this side. So version leg down. Stand. Clasp your hand. Elbow forward. Elbow forward. Follow. Oh.
Amazing.
So how is the experience?
So, to be honest, I'm enjoying it. I mean, real science जोटा मुझे जाने लिए कौन मुझे पढ़े actually and मुझे जाने कोटी कौन केंती कौन कोड़ा काकर केंती कौन and Ashmit भाई and he's very knowledgeous guy. मुझे मोसानो हिटा विशाल भी आस्तेला मुझे ताकू जेमती कहले acromion and all Ashmit भाई कहले हम subscapulary से problem अच्छी तापरे आउ ऊपर problem supraspinatus से problem अच्छी so these are matters. So I'm a youth management भाई जो ना youth I'm a youth. So youth management का दरकार knowledge is everything. So that's why he's doing great in his life. And मैं आपन मानू को again and again over again कही please come to Divine जल्दी आपन माने मोटे चिनी चलती. If you people are my fan, जल्दी आपन माने मो YouTube channel को देखंती मो serial को देखंती. Please come to this place Divine.
Thank you so much.